Sure, ladies, this is a nice one. This is a fragrance from Latafa, and this is called Victoria. Now, Victoria, it's a very nice old style bottle. So I believe it's from the idea is from Victorian times, and the bottle itself just describes that very, very nice. I believe the fragrance inside is going to be a very big surprise for you because it was for me when I started looking at the notes, and I'm like, this is going to smell brilliant. This is going to smell delicious because this is known to be a zesty, sweet, and comforting gourmand fragrance. And the opening is lemon meringue. I mean, come on. Who doesn't like lemon meringue? Now, it opens with lemon meringue and then it will then turn down into neroli and creamy vanilla. Now, that just sounds so delicious. Yeah, I believe I'm just going to spray this straight into my mouth and then just have some dessert after lunch. But let's have a smell and then let's see what the nose says. Oh, that is just nice. But I pick up the vanilla immediately. The lemon meringue is there in the background, but the vanilla is gorgeous. But it blends in together so damn nice. This is a beautiful blend of lemon meringue pie, neroli, and vanilla. The vanilla is the star of the show. The lemon meringue is there behind the scenes, and it's just saying, "Smell me, smell me, smell me," and you do smell it, and it is a lovely, lovely fragrance. I must be honest. Oh, ladies, this is so nice. But this is also known to be a duplicate of a Dolce Gabbana fragrance, which I will put right here. Have a look at that as well. And sure, this is a stunning fragrance. This smells so damn delicious. I just want to eat this piece of paper. So, ladies, yeah, this is a beautiful fragrance. This is not going to be for office use. I believe everybody's going to want to bite you, and that some rules in companies does not allow that to happen. So, I would suggest not wearing this at the office. Only if you work for yourself in your own company, alone in your own office, you can wear this. Otherwise, you will be bitten. But otherwise, very special occasion fragrance. Beautiful fragrance. It's an exquisite fragrance. Ladies, very nice. I believe you will enjoy this fragrance so much. I got this fragrance from the Luxurious Perfumes. I'll put the details down at the bottom. Please send them a WhatsApp and inquire about this fragrance because it is bloody good. It's a beautiful, tasty fragrance that you will enjoy so much.